Today, we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1748, sum of unique elements. It is an easy problem. You are given an integer array nums. The unique elements of an array are the elements that appear exactly once in the array. Return the sum of all unique elements of nums. So we have to return the sum of all distinct elements, as in they should not appear more than once. For the first example, we have nums as 1, 2, 3, 2. So here the unique elements are 1 and 3. We have to return their sum, which is 4. For the second example, we have to return 0 since there is no distinct elements here. For the third example, we have the distinct elements as all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to return their sum, which is 15. If we see the topics, we are covering the topics of array and hash table here. Hint says to use a dictionary to count the frequency of each number. So for this question, we are given a class solution with a public method called sum of unique defined in it. It is of integer type, meaning we have to return the sum of the unique elements as the question suggests. We are given parameter vector nums. It is of integer type and is passed by reference here. So first of all, we will start by creating our map integer to integer. Let's call it m. Then I'll create a for loop to traverse over each element of nums, store it in the map. So this code will basically store the frequency of all the elements. The keys would be the elements and the frequency would be their values. Then we will run a second for loop on nums again. This time we will use it to find the elements which are occurring once, the unique elements. So if they are unique, add it to your sum variable. So we have to declare a sum variable from 0. So if my m of I is equal to 1, meaning my element appears once, so I'll just add it to my sum plus equal to I. Finally, we will return our sum, run the code. It's getting accepted, submit it.